Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today video we'll go into connect the CMS for our hero page. So this is, you guys can see that we are having a different layout and image and informations in here. So everything you see in here is based on sanities. What is the CMS we are going to integrate for this video. And yep, everything you see is in here are from the sanity. Even the icon in here, it will return a char string, and then we will map a dynamic icon, and we have display in here. Yeah, in here, right, we have the image, different image. The thing that we don't have this check item, so this is we're going to be like the fixed ones because we don't have any functionality in here. So in this one we should have about us, we have this heading, we have this aspect, and we have the image slider over here. And for the result, we have also have the same format for this. And if you can see there, this is the different image of mine, but it's also come from the sanity. So later on I will show you. And we have the expert in here. We just have only one. So the information is also come from sanity. And the last one is the block ones, but we don't have any block yet. So in this video, I am not going to have any block for this one. So we will stop at the expert in here, and the testimonial, and the results, and about us, and solutions, and the hero. That's it. And the links go into my LinkedIn. And yeah, let's go to our sanity. So for the sanity in here, you can see that we have like the hero which contain the headings, the tagline here. We have no image in here. That's it. That's it for the hero. And we also have the image galleries in the below, and we have 3 of them. Yeah, the image galleries is this one. See, so you will see that they display 3 of them. And the solutions in here, very simple one. When we click in here, it's go into where solutions. Oh yeah, we're going to click in read more. It's go into the pricing page because we don't have any. So this is wrong. We need to have go to the pricing page. Yep, let me check. Oh, this is pricing, but see our solutions. Okay, hold on. I think, oh yeah, this one is the one, not the readme. Sorry. So the readme is going to about us is correct, but this one's supposed to be into pricing. So we have a little bit error in here, but I don't think we can. Oh, meta random page. Yeah, I think we can do this one later when we go into the pricing for this. And this temporary that we can have the pricing in here. Let me check on this. Is it correct pricing? Oh yeah, the entire pricing base already have broken somehow. That we need to look at it. Okay, cool. And we have also the solutions in here. So the solution we have in here, you see is that we have 4. We have the array of 4 in 4 pillar, right? So the techniques going to be, we will have an array of the solutions, and each solution we have inside, we have different things. So let's see what do we have in here. So you can see is that EV chargings we have an icon, an heading, aspect, and a CTA, the call to actions. So let's see that what do we have inside. We have the heading, we have the accept, we have the icon return, we have, and we also have the CTA, which also target into the pricings. Yeah, we also target into the pricings also, but the pricings is currently is broken. So this one you don't have. You see, we don't have this CTA because the every read more here already have a link inside. So later on I will show you in the code, because it's going to the only for the pricing page, so we don't need for each one have the CTA. Yep, that is the things for the solutions. And we have for the about us. So in the about us also simple ones. We have just the image gallery and the heading. We have heading here, we have aspect here, and we have oh yeah, we have the CTA, but do we use it somewhere? Oh yeah, we not view anything in in the CTA for the about us. So it's very simple, and in this about us we also have the slider in here. Yep, very simple ones. And for the magic one, you are going to have also for the heading and the tagline. For the magic, you see we have like the heading here and the tagline in here. So in here we have also 3 pillar, and it's going to be an array of 3 pillar over here. But you see that the difference is this guy, he have the descriptions, so a little bit tricky when you go into coding. So I will show you later in the coding phase. So for each of them, they also have the aspect, except, but 2 of this one won't have it. So we need to find the one who having this one and then render outside here. And for the testimonial, also kind of simple ones. If you guys click in here, you guys will see we have the heading, the accept in here, and we have the tagline, and also the array of 3 guys, 3 me. And in here, if you click in here, you guys will see that we have text with illustrations, but we use just only the image of myself 5 years ago. And we have the heading, tagline, and aspect for the feedback stuff. Yeah, that's it. Very simple ones. I think that this is also simple, but it's not too complicated. So for the expert, also simple. We have the array of every expert you guys have. So in my case, just only me in here, and then you click inside. We will also have the CTA, which go direct into my LinkedIn. So so this is like 2 year before, 2 year after, or 2 year before, and the first image is 5 years before. So this image is this year. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's it for our homepage. And when we go into the block one, we go into have a separate block page, going to be fed everything in here, the sections, and then we will go into working with the block video in the next video. For this one, we will just only have for the home base. Okay, that's it. We going to start. All right, so first thing, you guys can install the sanity into our code base. So in here we go into, I will go to close this one. Okay, so we just have create a sanity in here. So if you guys follow the previous tutorial, I also have the connection for this, so I will temporarily pull this one. But you guys can see is that they asking for connect to my project already. So if you guys have already into the step, you guys can choose create new project, and then you guys can follow the format of them. And I also put the link of my repo in the description, but if you guys need to have a look on that, you guys can also take a look and go into the GitHub repository to have a look on that. But in this video, I think we will go into for the fast page, because this is the connection for the sanity is kind of simple one, because they just do automatically. So in this case, I will also just connect this guy to the database. Okay, but let's see. Right, so you guys can see that this is the sanity manager dashboard, and this is the project they want me to integrate it. So in here we already also have the project and also the dataset and also the project ID in here. But I think I will go into do is again just for the connections, and then I will go into the fast page. So in this case, I'll go into create a new project in here. So I will name it energy dev. Okay, all right. So you dataset configuration, yes, simple one. So they asking, would you like to add configuration file in sanities? Yes, please. TypeScript, yes. M Studio also yes. Yeah, for this case, back to my main branch, I use the editor like this. So in the sense, you guys can use whatever you guys want. So in the sense, I just keep the original. Yeah, I also have choose the block schema in here to have like the kind of idea. You guys will see that for the newer, for the fresher, you guys will see that they have the basic structure already for the schema, and it's also easy to read. So the difficult is the grok query. The syntax is kind of annoying, but if you guys can do like 2 or 3 projects, you guys will get used to it. So in the sense, we hit block. You like env? Yes, put in env. All right, so they install it. So we will wait a moment for this one. Okay, so after you have installed, you might face this error. So the thing that we have not installed the Next sanity yet. So okay, let's do one more step for this one. Here, okay. Alright, so after we have installed the sanities, Next.js sanities, you guys will see that the default layout information is in here. But the thing that we want to have, go to the editor on the sanities. So before we jump into there, they will have UI layout, UI issues that I don't think that sanities already have fixed this one. But it's just like the automatic the layout for them. So when you go into the editor here, the editor dashboard, go into overlay. Okay. Is it an error or not? Oh, the basically is an error for this. Alright, so I think if you guys having that issues, you guys can check out the Next.js versions in here. So the before I was just 0, and after I have upgrade into the two like this ones, and it will be 5. Okay, so for this one, we go into the editor to see the editor stuff. So the sanities to able to log the studio in the first time, it will take a while. Yeah. Alright, so here the issues that you need to see the header is being overlay into the editor. So we need to fix this. And the first thing that you need to able to like active the grok. So here, so you need to follow the grok origins. So if you guys don't know what is it, have a search on that. So this is like it's the HTTP methods for the server for the client to use the things on the server. So you guys need to make the domain, register domain into the server like that. So the sanities, they could require it for the localhost 3000. So before this one, we need to able to activate like this. You can click continue. So it will jump into the dashboard first, and here you guys can create like add cross origins in here, and then it will solve it. Okay, solve. Alright, so you guys need to log in with the GitHub and everything you want for this case. So this is like totally new, so we're going to have we'll do it for manually with the coding. And let's see. Yeah, you see that this is like they have kind of annoying the root layout or stuff. It's been like overlay like this. So in this sense, I have also I have done a lot of solution for this one, but I think the simple one is that we just need to hide the header, right? So if you guys jump into the header in here, and for the header one, you guys can take the path here. So it will require we will take the path name. So if the path is editor, so if the editor, so we're going to hide it. So you guys need to remember to also import the U bot name in here. So the U bot name is going to use the route, the bot names on the domain. Okay, hit save. So everything fine. So if the bot name start with the dash editor, we're going to hide it. So for this one, in here you guys can have a comma, and we will have Sanity Studio. We're going to hide it with the get index. And for this one, just symbol that remove this here. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, so if the studio, so if is the Sanity Studio with the correct bot name, we're going to make it the get index 0, and if not, it's going to have 20. All right, so we can check it. So basically that we should see the header being hidden in below. Yep, cool, that's it. It should be, yep, that's it. That's what we want. So it's a little bit have a hacky way. All right, so for this next step, we already have the header, we already have the Sanity integrate. So next up, we go into have, you guys can jump into the schema type, and we go into create a bunch of schema in here. So our first thing, just keep 4 of them in here. We go into have the gallery and the hero. So we have gallery, we have hero. Okay, so let me check what next. Gallery, hero, image, gallery, page. We have image, gallery, we have a page, oh sorry, yeah, also page, yes, and we have a promotion type, testimonial, we have promotion, yes, we have testimonial and yes, testimonial, and we have text with illus. So in here I'm going to have text with illu here. So if you guys have seen the previous video, I follow exactly the same structure for this. So yeah, so in the sense, which is you guys can create a bunch of schema over here, and we go into have a few more. So in the Sanity folder, this one, you guys can create a query in here. So for the query, we go into have by.ts. So this by go into fetch the every page that we need in here, and we just keep it in one file. Okay. All right, so next up, we're going to register the field for each of them. So in here, you guys see we have the double gallery. So you guys can just delete one. So in this case, I will delete the gallery in here. Yeah, delete galleries. And for the image gallery, we're going to have the schema type structure like the one we used to have in the previous one. So this is a little bit laggy. Oh no. Yep, the laptop is sometimes it will have a little bit slow. So for this image galleries, we have symbol one, and it's the type object. So it's contain the type of array, and the image is a name. So inside in here we will have each image and also type image, and we have the layout rig. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. And for the hero, ones, we go into have few of the informations. You guys will see that we also use in the different video, but in a sense we don't have this sanity icon, so we can remove it or just leave it there. Do we have it? Oh, just leave it, just delete it. All right, so for the hero type, you guys will also have the object, and the title is the hero, and it will contain significant fields. First, in heading, tagline, slot in here, and the image, and yeah, icon, just remove it. We can remove this one also. So yeah, that's it. So because the field is very simple, it's like the input in the sanity system. So we need to declare the name first and the type of it. So first thing in the name in the heading, right? So it's the string. That's it. So we just need the heading and string for the sanity. So to have the demonstrations for you guys to see that what will happen, you guys need to go first. Before of that, we just keep moving forward until we're done. So for the page, so we will have for the page type in here. So we will have the structure like this one. This is the beginnings, a very simple one. I will text the hero first, and then we will go from that. We won't make anything complicated from the beginning. So in this page, it will have the type document, right? And the title page is correct. And we have the title also is string. So we also have the slot. We have another field, and we name it is the byte builder. And this is the type of an array. So what is the array inside going to have? First, we have the hero. We already have declare over here. So we have the hero. We have not the promotion yet. We not have this one, but we have the gallery, right? Oh, gallery. Yeah, that's correct. We have the galleries, and we have the galleries and the hero already. Now we're going to declare two more of the promotions and the text with illustrations. And for the promotions, you can jump into the promotions, and you can pass in this code. So the promotion is very simple. First, we have the title is string, and the second is the link, which is the type URL. That's it. Very straightforward. Okay. And for the text with illustrations, if you can go with text with illustrations, we'll have significant of the field like this one. First thing, we have the heading, we have the tagline, we have the accept, which is the text content, and we have the image. That's it. Very simple. And remember to also declare it into the schema in here. Also inside the sanity, you will see this schema.ts file. So in here we have page, we have, what do we have? We have text. Oh no, so laggy. I had this one. Oh, why so laggy? Okay, so we have text with illustrations here. Oh, look at that. Marvelous. Okay, so I will temporarily pause video until it's working fine. Alright, so it's just working really fine already. So for this ones, we have page and text with illustrator. We have the block. We have the promotions in here, promotions type, and we have gallery. Yeah, gallery. Oh, image gallery. We have the gallery. Is it correct way, guys? Gallery, yeah, right. So gallery, and then we hit save. So it will automate install it. So for this one, oh my god, my laptop is so slow. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so if you guys don't have that, just install everything like this one. Yep, and hit save. What's wrong with this one? Bye type. Okay, so yeah, I think we are fine. Let me check on this image gallery. Yep, Okay, so everything we already have installed, so we register into the sanity. So now it should be having in the sanities in here. So we will refresh this guy. Yeah, something wrong. No, nothing wrong. So just refresh this. So everything have not been working properly. So in the meanwhile, we can go into the page in here. So for the query page, you guys can have like a very simple structure like this. Oh, we have what the error like that. Okay, so for the query one, oh, okay, why it took so long? Okay, so after, all right, so after you have installed, after you have declared the schema, you will go into see like the page in here and the promotions we see. So for the page, we can create a different page. So in the sense, we're going to just create a simple page in here, and for this page, we just name it like home page. Okay, so for the slot, just home, and for the page builder, if you want to see what inside, you guys can click it, but let me explain. So if you have the page builder like this one, you guys remember we have declarations for the page in here. See, so the page builder go into have is to be an array, and it's have 4 elements in here, right? So from 4 elements in here, it have the connections into each schema. Okay, so for hero, right, is connections into the hero in here. So we can declare everything from the hero in the base schema. Okay, that's it. Very simple, right? So let me do the demonstrations. So if we add item in here, we should see 4 things like this. This is correct. And for the hero ones, we click it, and you will see we have heading, slot, tagline, and image, and it is exactly the same what we are already declare: heading, slot, tagline, and image here. Heading, slot, tagline, image. That's it. That's very simple one. And for the schema, for the data, I will keep the same what we are already have in here. So this one for the tagline, you guys can do it for the accept and the text, whatever you want. So I'll commit. Okay, is it a little bit? Oh yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's what I want. And for the image, you guys just leave it there. And for the slot, we just also leave it there. That's it. And this is for the hero. And you see we have the gallery of the image in here, right? So, and then you can just have a gallery. So, and you can add the image in here, upload image. So I will use the random image in my laptop in here. I will use this one, and I will use more. I will use this one, and I will use yeah, all right. I will use this one. This looks nice. Yeah. Okay. So 3 of them already there, and I just hit close. So this will like temporary for the gallery, and we need one more element in here is the CTA. So for the CTA, you guys can go into the promotions, and you can see the title is see our solutions, and for the link, yep, it's supposed to be like the pricings in here. So you guys can just pass in this one for temporary. Okay, reminder temporary, and just leave it there. Okay, so we basically that we have the enough informations for the hero sections in the home page already. Now before we go into further, we go into have fetching is into the page. So let's see. Yep, it's supposed to be like this. Let's go into the rec battery in here. All right, so we have everything we need for the hero, and One thing before I forgot to mention that in the base of the query in here, right, base, you guys need to have this async functions to get the data with the grok in here. So if you guys have not seen this typical of techniques, so this is the grok syntax to fetch in the data from the server. So let me do a quick explanations that okay, so what is the page? So the page is this page in the schema. Okay, so come here. All right, so in here you see we have the name page, right? So this basically the type page in here. So this is the syntax itself, and in the page we have different page, right? We have home page, we have about us, we have pricing, solution, etc. So what is the one we want? We want the slot with the home. So in the page in here we have slot. If you guys can see that, so the grok go into fetching the base array and find which slot is home, and we take the first one. That's it, very simple. And inside, what do we want? What do we want to have? So first we need a slot, right? We need a slot for this, and the space we also have slot in here. You see, we have slot. All right. So what do we need more? We need a hero. So a hero go into be inside the page builder array. So this page builder is the type array, right? So we have the page builder type array, and then we're looking for the type hero. So inside of the array we're looking for, okay, so what is the type hero, what is the type promotion, what is the type but in this sense we need the hero. So we have the type hero, and we take the first one, and then we take the image, heading, and taglines, etc. What do we have inside in hero? So how do we know that we have this one? So we go into the hero type, and we have heading here, we have taglines here, we have image here. That's it, very simple ones, right? And yeah, very simple. And I just want to explanations for the hero for you guys. You guys will have kind of idea how to use with the fetching the correct way. But the tricky thing is that in here you guys see the syntax is a little bit different from the other thing, and you guys need to have read this grok with L6 in here. So this is 6 going to have everything related to the grok syntax, and you guys need to read it through a lot. But in this case I already solved it for you guys, so you guys can use the same format in here. Yeah, that's it for the hero. And for the promotions I do the same way, and for the galleries also the same way. Okay, and all right, so when we're going to fetch into the hero sections, yeah, okay, so let's go into the hero sections. So first thing, we go into the sections, section in here, hero. So yeah, in here, so you guys see is that this is the sections we are currently see. So first thing first, you guys need to have take the functions in here and turn this hero functions into the array, into the async, and we go into use this get home page data. So in case you guys don't know what they returned, we're going to check one more time, because the grok syntax already returned whatever you will want. All right, so for the check-in, just turn on the, because we are on the server in here, there's no new client. And hit save for this one, this is not saved. So jump back to here and hit save one more time, and it's supposed to be shown information in here. Okay, let's wait a little bit. All right, so in the meanwhile we can take the data, we can take everything from the data. So in case, what do we need? We need the hero, we need the gallery, and we need the promotions, right? Because that we fetching everything like this. So all right, so one more explanations in here, so you guys can have easy to understand, because next 5 minutes going to be fast paced. So we return the string is name hero, right, and name promotions and name galleries. So everything inside that go into return into the data when we call the async functions. And from the data we can have the constructions in here to take the correct string or correct data we want. In case hero promotion gallery is this hero promotion gallery. Okay, we have error. Where is it? Okay, so this guy, we don't need it. All right, let's see. Save one more time. So it's about to return an objective with everything in here. All right, let's wait a little bit. Oh, I already solved it, man. We don't have it anymore. We don't have this console. Okay. So yeah, this video going to take a while because this video is going to have a lot of technical and I don't want to rush. Oh no, what's wrong is it? Hero index. Yeah, we don't have any. What? Okay, let's see. It's a known. Oh yeah. Okay. Why is return a known in here? Alright, sorry guys, so the last previous 2 or 3 minutes that I have just accidentally clicked into my macro, so it just turned off. So this is super good, right? So yeah, it's been back. So we have the revalidate for the home page in here. So because the cache, automatic cache for the Next.js, so it will have just save the default information or the default data returned from server and just leave it there, save it. So it's basically is known for the beginning, so we need to have revalidate it again, so it will return the data. So in here we already use the hero headings for this one, so it should be good in here. So we see that the future of green energies is already here, and we need to have the solutions for the buttons in here. So for this case we go to have promotions, and for the promotions, what is it called? We have the title in here. So it's the title like this. Okay. Yeah, we're missing this. Okay. Right, so we have promotion title, and for the link we also have a Next.js link in here, and we can have something familiar like this. And for the ref, we go into have promotions dot, what do we call, link, right? Okay, so they require this one, so we're going to use it in the net link and hit save. It should be good. Oh, can I find them? Oh my god. Okay, duplicate. Cool. Let's save again. Right, everything fine. Everything fine. There is no, yeah, we have used the dynamic content already. So now we're going to text this button. Okay, so when we click in here, it's supposed to be going to presence. Click it. I already clicked it. So is alright. One more time. What's wrong? Why you don't go into presence? Oh, here. Okay. Alright, so it's a little bit laggy for this, guys. So go into flow, click again. That's good. Okay, and then this is totally is 100% dynamic because the content is not changing too much. But okay, now we're going to use for the image. All right, and for the image we can have something like this. Just close it in here, and for the image we're going to have an array of the gallery dot image, what do we call, image URL, right? So why the image URL? Because here we fetch it and we return it in the image URL in here. So you guys need to have gallery and target into the image URLs, and it will be an array. So you guys need to have a map in here and image and index, and then you guys return everything you want in here. All right, so in our sense is just only the image. We already set it up, so we're going to have the image in here bashing like this, and we should be fine. So in here they require a TypeScript, but for you guys that you guys need to have declarations, but we don't need it. I don't need it, so I just have an in here, and it's going to be the number. So if you want to use it, oh, in the sense we don't even need the index. So if you want to have the TypeScript type safety, you guys can declare this very fast, very simple one. TypeScript, very simple. So in here I should put in here a temporary for any, and you guys need to have more advanced and more cleaning, so that will be good for the skill sets. Okay, let me check on this. Okay, we're good. Alright, sometimes I feel in my MacBook is so slow like that. Look at that. Yeah, no, I already change into like the image in here. Oh no. Okay, so one more refresh in here, it should be good. So every information all come from the sanity already, and yep, that's it. So in here you can see that the way we also declarations for everything, we can see that we have page builder. Oh no, what's wrong? All right, so the image should be the different. Let's wait a little bit. Oh yeah, we forgot to register this guy into the, so if you guys have this error, believe that you guys need to register the sanity.cdn into our Next.js image. So in here we have sanity, we have IO. Is it correct? Yeah, you guys need to register the host name for the image to use it. Yep, this is very common error that you guys will face. Okay, so in the sense I should hit save, and in here I refresh it one more time. Oh, because we changed this Next.js, so we need to run this again. Alright, so I will close everything for this temporary. Close this one, and then this guy should be work. We connect the sanity success. Okay, that's good. Then this is just only the small part of the hero sections. I don't want to make it complicated for this video. I will separate two videos actually. Yeah, it should be like that. So I just wait into this guy to load in, finish, and then we can check on this. So here it's supposed to be like this. This is the hero components in the home page. So you jump in here, it's just handle the logic for the data itself. Alright, here. So this is what we want, and but the thing that we're missing one image. Oh, okay. Let me check on this. Oh, here. Oh yeah, here. So this is what we want. But if you guys want to have different image, you guys can also have a different size, or you want to have the fixed size, whatever you guys want. It's depends on what you guys need. But for example, I used to take the things on a repo like this, and we have the image. Where is it? No, we want the image here. For example, this is actually a clip. Okay, so if you want to have some access, you guys can put the descriptions in here. For example, I save it, and text one. Okay, it's correct. Alright, so I will going to change. Oh no, I will add one. So I go into add the image we just downloaded in my desktop. This is a JPEG, is correct. Okay, here. Right, so it will up, and then we close it. So you see we have 4 updates, and we publish it, and then we're good to go. You know why? Because that if we don't have the revalidations in here, and also one in here, so you guys won't see the new image. Just me. You want to text it, just remove the line. It won't throw a bug, but you guys won't see the thing. You guys just put in there. So in a sense, we should see our things here. Yep, that's good. Alright, so this video is already finished for the connect the sanities and for the demo for the hero sections. That's it. And okay, one more time, thank you guys for supporting me. My channel is grow really fast, and I know that recently I don't publish too much because that I have to have my full-time job already. So I need to have focus on my job, basically that. And if I have the free time, I will go into continue the series and to make a different kind of content for you guys. So we are nearly reach 1000, and if you guys have not subscribed for the channel, feel free to subscribe to support together, and we can roll together in this field. And it will be 2 more videos for a whole homepage for the about us and prices and the blog and the blog detail will be going to be finished. About can be like 3 videos. Alright, so thank you guys again for your guys efforts, and thank you for supporting me. So this video going to have about 1 hour long for only for the sanity and the hero sections. Alright, thank you guys. See you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.